Hey everyone, it's Robin. Today, let's make Salisbury steak. In a bowl, combine panko, egg, and milk, and then set that aside. The recipe will be in the description, so don't worry about the amounts right now. In a larger mixing bowl, you want to combine and break up the ground beef. Combine that with grated onion. Now, grating the onion and adding it to the beef is key to this recipe for succulent patties. You want to add in some garlic and some salt and pepper. Mix that carefully and gently by hand. Don't overmix this, otherwise they'll get hard. You want to add that breadcrumb mixture and combine gently again. Then you want to form 4 oval-sized patties, about equal in size. You have the option to refrigerate for about 10 minutes, but this is a lickety-split recipe, so no need. So after you form them into patties, you want to pat them down a little bit, and then we're going to make this Worcestershire sauce. So you want to combine the Worcestershire sauce, beef broth, and cornstarch. Whip it up, and then head on over to the stove. And you want a couple tablespoons of oil in a skillet, and you're going to sear the patties. About 3 minutes on each side. We're on medium-high heat here. We're looking for great caramelization. Flip them, and then after you get done searing them, put them on a clean plate. And then we're going to add a little bit more oil, add the diced onion and the mushrooms, and stir. Now those mushrooms are going to suck up all the oil, so you'll need to add about a tablespoon more of oil. Then you want to stir in tomato paste and mix that for about a minute. That's very key to the umami flavor of the sauce. Don't skip that one. Stir in that broth mixture and then bring to a low boil. Reduce the heat down to a low simmer. Add the patties back to the gravy. Cover and simmer for an additional total of 5 to 8 minutes, but halfway through you want to flip those patties over. You'll know you're done when the internal temperature is 160 degrees Fahrenheit. And there you go. Salisbury steak, very savory, and smiles all around the table. Thank you for watching, everyone. Have a great day. Bye.